Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be smoking a Boston butt, also known as pulled pork. I am going to put it at 250 for this cook. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to be monitoring the temperature. Pulled pork has already reached its temperature at 195. It is falling apart on me, so the bottom part is where I had the little fat cap that it had, so that's why you see all this gooiness on the bottom. But at this point you have two options. You can do either a foil wrap or you can do a pink butcher paper wrap. It's up to you. If you want to keep more of the bark, you would use the pink butcher paper. If you want to soften up the bark a little bit, you would use a foil. If you smoke this meat to 195, you shouldn't have any issues. One, that it's cooked, well cooked. It's way above the recommended cooking temp, internal temp. And two, it's gonna be super tender. I mean, I can do this with my hands if I wanted to. I mean, I can do this and it's coming apart. I just like doing that so I don't get my hands all greasy. This has been the Smoking Beard. I do have other videos. If you guys are interested, please like and subscribe. Check out my other channels, my other videos in my channel. I have briskets, I have chicken, I have all sorts of things, reviews on items and everything like that. So please like and subscribe and let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments below. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.